most popular one is probably the standard. This is the standard size here. There's a lot of people like to start learning when they're small, little kids. And basically, this is the soundboard here for the standard. And what we do is, this is actually cut out by a laser machine that we have there.
Over there.
Yeah, it's back there. And basically what it does is it just cuts out the shape, the hole, and it also marks the lines where we put the braces.
Right.
So basically what we do is we just drill 2 holes so the top fits on and it doesn't move as we glue it. For the back.
All wooden dowels?
No, it's just a metal dowel like here.
Okay.
And then we just fit it on. Basically we just glue it on one time. Like that. And then we glue it for an hour. After an hour we take it off and then we trim up the edges. This is the pineapple here. You can see it's all book matched. This is our newest machine called a CNC mill. And what it does is it cuts out our neck for us. It goes from this to this.
Oh yeah, it's all
And basically it has about, you can hold up to like a 25 space and it just comes down. It just shapes it itself.
When do you put the inlays in the...
We put the inlay in before we cut it, and we just glue it in. The machine also cuts the inlays.
Oh.
It's like this.
Oh, okay.
And we just put the shell in, sand it, and it comes like this. And it ends up.
Well, the bits are already on there, right? It's all automated, right? Nobody has to change nothing.
It changes itself.
Wow.
This is the same machine that they use to build car rims.
Really?
Fits in like a puzzle where you just glue it in, slide it in. So we try to make everything easier for people to work with, and it doesn't get any easier than this. Then after they found the pressing on the end there, and it goes through a core process of sanding and finishing, and our spray boot is in the corner. It gets about maybe 5 to 6 volts of clear lacquer, and to dry it for 24 hours before we actually work on it. If you like, you can take pictures. It's a real small shop. We're gonna move next year, but we'll take you upstairs and show you the finish.
Ah.
lucky. You guys are the lucky ones.
A little cleaner up here.
Yeah.
Oh, the lacquer room.
You can shut the door.
Can you shut it?
After it's dried, we have a drying room
There.
in there. It dries for 24 hours before it actually gets worked on. After we take it out of the drying room, we acetone the fingerboard. This is one of the specials, which is the Ultrasun,
Oh, that's beautiful.
and it
That's the one I want.
has the curly wood
Oh.
and the ebony bridge and fingerboard. But we acetone the fingerboard, and no one here glues the bridge on. The bridge on is glued after it's finished. And Khalid here puts the keys on. This is one of another Tory cool.
Beautiful.
What's he doing?
And then it goes to Chris Kamaka, who does the final check on all the instruments before it goes out. And for me, I do the refurbishing of the old repairs. Right now, we're working on the Jake Shimmer Pro models. Here, Jake Shimmer Pro. He has his own signature model. We're making 100.
Do you have one of those, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Go ahead.
This is one of them here.
Yeah, I wanna check that out.
It has his initials in the mother of Pro.
Oh, sorry, am I?
No, no, go ahead.
Oh, is that someone's custom?
It's a Jake Shimmer Pro model.
Beautiful. It was beautiful.
And it also has the abalone shell.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
So is he going to be selling, I guess?
Oh, they're all
special-
sold out already.
Yeah.
You actually have to enter your name in a lottery on the website, and then he picks it.
Wow.
Wow.
And like within the first
What
month,
size
it
is
was gone.
Oh, I bet it was. So
It's
what's
a tenor. This is a tenor.
What's the tenor
Tenor
size?
4-string.
tenor 4-string?
Yeah. That's pretty much it. Really small shop, but we're looking to move in next year because Word of Life is taking over the lease for this area.
What is that?
Word of Life is a church. Yeah, but we have to move because we need a bigger place.
So all the brothers, all the grandsons work here?
Not the grandsons. I'm the only grandson that works here, but we have uncles.
The 4 uncles, right?
uncles,
Work
yeah.
together. You're the only grandson.
So far.
See, going back to one kid.